What's up, guys? Welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto Market Update, August 18, 2022. Guys, we have a red day in the crypto markets today. The market has been dumping really hard. Is the relief rally over? Bitcoin is trading below $24,000. Bitcoin had a little dip. It looks like Bitcoin is getting towards its 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame, which currently sits at $23,111. Bitcoin is at $23,400. Are we going to get that low? Or are we going to gobbling town? Some people are calling for new all-time lows for Bitcoin. Ethereum has been pumping the news of the merge, but right now it looks as if Ethereum is taking a chill pill. Ethereum has rallied more than 100% from the bottom. Ethereum is trading for $1,845. Will Ethereum get to $1,600, or will we continue pumping to the moon? We'll also be looking at altcoin market. We're in altcoin season right now. Altcoins are supposed to be pumping to the moon. In the last 1 month, altcoins have been pumping, but is the real value over? We're also be looking at news stories happening in the crypto world, and then we'll take a look at general crypto market cap and some other metrics to tell us where exactly are we in this relief rally. Should we start selling our altcoins right now, or should we start accumulating more, waiting for higher prices? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a green month in the altcoin market, but it looks as if the rally is over because we've been having a very red week, and we're also having a very red day in the crypto market. In the top 100 coins by market capitalization, we have just like 10 coins that are in the top gainers. If we take a look at the top gainers and the top losers in the last 24 hours, in the top gainers, we have Celsius, Chills, Monero, Pax USD, Binance USD, and True USD. And half of this list, we have stable coins. The other half, just Monero, Chills, and Celsius that are up in the last 24 hours. In the top 100, other coins are losing. We have EOS losing the loser section. EOS was pumping yesterday. EOS was up more than 25% yesterday. Today, EOS is down 11.36%. Anchor is down more than 10%. Hubo token is down 10%. Mina is down 10%. And RV is down 9.8%. Other coins in the top 100 and the loser section. But should we start buying these altcoins right now, because we know that maybe, just maybe, the relief rally is not over? Maybe we're having a green month. Are we going to continue pumping into next month? If we take a look at Bitcoin, people have been calling for Bitcoin to go straight to $30,000, but Bitcoin is taking its time right now. We've been consolidating in this pattern. People are calling that this is a bearish pattern. We're going to the downside. Maybe 17,600 is not the bottom. We might see lower prices for Bitcoin. Guys, let's just look at what the chart is telling us. The chart is telling us that Bitcoin has been struggling to go above its 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. The last time Bitcoin was conveniently above that moving average was in March 2022. We had a rally in Bitcoin then. Bitcoin rallied more than 19% from that average. Bitcoin went from 40,000 to as high as 48,000. Right now, Bitcoin has been trading above its 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. Bitcoin pumped more than 19% from the average when it broke out of it. Bitcoin faked people out right here on the 26th of July. A lot of people thought we were going to see lower price for Bitcoin, but then Bitcoin started pumping. Right now, it looks as if Bitcoin is coming back to test that line. If we can hold here as support, that's the $23,124 region. If we can hold it as support, we might see Bitcoin just teleport straight to 32,000. Guys, we talked about how Bitcoin doesn't have any resistance from 24,000 straight to around 28, 29,000. It's just a huge straight line. Anytime Bitcoin has gone around that region, we have pumped straight to the upside. Even when we were dumping and when we left that region, it just took us just 6 days to dump more than 17%. So that's a very, very critical level for Bitcoin. And Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency in the market, Ethereum has been pumping in the news of the merge. We have been hearing about the merge and how it will improve Ethereum. Ethereum is moving from proof of work to proof of stake. Ethereum has gone up more than 127% in that period of time, from as low as $888 to as high as $2,000. Right now, Ethereum is trading for $1,800. We might see Ethereum drop to as low as $1,600. On the grand scheme of things, Ethereum might pump to as high as $3,000 in the merge. Only time will tell how high Ethereum will go during the merge. But right now, Ethereum is trading for 1,600, and I won't be shocked to see Ethereum maybe go as high as 3,500 before we start dumping. The previous relief rally we had in the crypto market in 2019, guys, Bitcoin went up 300%, Ethereum went up over 300%, and it took more than 6 months for all this to play out. From the bottom that came in on the 18th of June 2022, we have just spent 60 days already pumping. Maybe, just maybe, we'll use the next 60 days pumping to the upside, but 180 days is a long time, and we still have at least 4 more months in this relief rally if we're going to repeat what we did in 2018. It's alt season right now. Altcoins are pumping, even though we're not seeing the kind of huge gains we saw in 2021 where altcoins were going 10,000, 1,000% in 30 days. They are still pumping. In the last 30 days, you can see that we have Celsius token up over 200%, Lido Dio up 70-something%, Chills up 94%, Flow up over 55%. So if you have bought any altcoins in the last 1 month, you should be in some profits right now. But is the rally over? Because guys, after alt season comes Dumpiano. We'll start dumping to Goblin Town. Only time will tell if this alt season will stay maybe another 2 weeks, maybe another 1 month. 3 strategies investors might use to trade the upcoming Ethereum Merge. Investors have been crafting their strategy for navigating the volatility that could arise as Ethereum Merge takes place. Here are few to consider. 1, a lot of people are hodling Ethereum, expecting to earn the hard-fought token. Some people are long Ethereum on spot and they are short Ethereum on futures. We'll see how that will play out. Another way is just to stay in stable coins and just trade the trend. So if the coin is pumping, you buy it. If it's dumping, you short it. Only time will tell which of these strategies will play out. Bitcoin price dive pre-FOMC amidst warning 17.6k low was not the bottom. A lot of people are saying Bitcoin might go lower than that. The S&P 500 has been rallying hard, but Bitcoin has not been rallying. As the stock market, the bottom is not in for either stocks or crypto, one analyst believes, as alarming data shows copycat moves from 2018 by the S&P 500. So is this relief rally just getting us to get very, very bullish before we all get wrecked right now? Sentiment in the market is still in fear. We are heading towards neutral last week, but right now it looks as if we are heading towards fear. People are start getting scared. People think maybe, just maybe, people are thinking maybe, just maybe the relief rally is over right now. Is the relief rally over? Because guys, history has shown that when we start getting to fear, when people are scared, when people are afraid to buy all these altcoins, that's when you want to be buying them, because people work opposite of their emotions. When they are greedy, when they are buying, when they are saying to the moon, that's where you want to be selling, because anything that's making them greedy means they are getting high on their own supply. Other news happening in the crypto world: economic design changes will affect Ethereum's value post-merge, says ConsenSys executive. CBDC only solution to smooth continuation of the monetary system. ECB, the European Central Bank working paper sought to identify issues and consensus regarding CBDCs, as well as identify gaps in the research, such as what users want. Guys, regulation is coming to crypto, and it looks as if governments around the world want to create their own cryptocurrencies, their central bank digital currency. It's just fiat currency, but in crypto format. Ontario Crypto Exchange imposed 30,000 Canadian dollars annual limit on all coins buy. The new buy limit are intended to better protect crypto investors and make them more aware of the risks associated with crypto assets, according to one of the exchanges. These changes are there to protect crypto investors like yourself and make sure investors are aware of the risks associated with investing in cryptocurrencies. Korea police seized cryptos for unpaid traffic fines in trials. Local police in suburb of Seoul have authority to seek crypto in order to clear the balance of delinquent fines from traffic violations. That's good to see. If governments are recognizing crypto, it means maybe, just maybe, we're very, very close to adoption. Fake Manchester United token soars over 3,000% after Elon Musk jokes about buying the team. We know Elon Musk, that's how he joked about buying Twitter. Here we are, we're talking about Elon Musk buying Twitter. And yesterday on Twitter, he actually joked about buying Manchester United. Somebody created a fake Manchester United token, and guess what? It pumped over 3,000%. Guys, you want to be careful with all these fake tokens, with all these meme tokens when they start pumping, because, just maybe because, you might get robbed and lose your money. Quebec pension fund loses almost entirely of its Celsius investment in less than 10 months. According to news reports, this fund wrote off over 200 million Canadian dollars. That's worth over 154 million US dollars invested in cryptocurrency lender Celsius Network. Celsius has been going through tough times. They actually filed for bankruptcy, and we got news yesterday saying by October they will run out of money to run their operation. Study says insider trading occurs in 10 to 25% of cryptocurrency listing. We had the Coinbase news last month where one Coinbase insider was tipping off his friends on the coins that will get listed, and they were profiting off it. The SEC are dealing with him right now, and according to reports, over 10 to 25% of cryptocurrency listings has insider trading. Ethereum Foundation clarifies that the upcoming merge will not reduce gas fees. The merge will still reduce the network energy consumption by estimated 99.5%, but gas fees are a product of network demand relative to the network capacity. The merge depreciates the use of proof of work, transition to proof of stake for ConsenSys, but that does not significantly change any parameters that directly influence network capacity or thorough output. Guys, let's take a look at the general crypto market. The general crypto market cap is still above $1 trillion, but guys, we're just hanging to $1 trillion by a thread. Will the general crypto market cap continue dumping? We saw a little dump in the market yesterday. The highest we have got in this relief rally was $1.175 trillion. We have lost more than 8% of that pump. Are we going to dump further? Maybe we'll go 10% from that all-time high we set in this relief rally. The highest we have gone in this relief rally is 1.173. We might dump to as low as 1.053, and that will coincide with the total crypto market cap coming to the 200 moving average on the 4-hour time frame. You can see that we've been held down by this moving average. We just broke out of it on the 14th of July 2022. We broke out of it, and total crypto market cap then was at 903 billion. It rose up more than 29%. Are we going to take a chill pill? Maybe the rally is getting too hot. Maybe we need to take a chill pill of 1-2 weeks of consolidation around this $1 trillion level, or are we going to pump straight to $1.5 trillion? Only time will tell right now. Bitcoin dominance is still at 40.1%. We will expect Bitcoin dominance to increase in the coming months, guys. That's why you need to be very, very careful with altcoins. After the extended pump I've seen in altcoins in the last 1 month, you expect at some point in time in the future, Bitcoin is going to get back all those liquidity from all those altcoins. When the market start dumping, people get scared again. They'll start running to Bitcoin. If we take a look at the US dollar currency index, it looks as if the dollar is pumping. Is it going to set new all-time highs? The all-time high we've seen the dollar in the last 4 years came in at 109.26. Currently, the dollar is trading at 106.7. If we just see a 2.4% pump in the dollar, we'll be at the all-time high. And we're at the all-time high when the market was bottoming on the 14th of July 2022. So guys, do you think the dollar will keep pumping? Because if the dollar keep pumping, it means crypto will keep dumping. The crypto unicorn index is showing us we have only 55 projects that have a market cap of over $1 billion. At the top of the bull run, we had over 135 projects. Guys, it's very, very important to know how many projects has a market cap of over $1 billion so that we know how healthy the market is. The top 10 cryptocurrency by market capitalization in the last 24 hours is still unchanged. Bitcoin is still at number 1. Dogecoin is still at number 10. Dogecoin has been having a pump lately. Dogecoin is up 13% in the last 1 week. That's good to see. Guys, be careful out there because in the last 24 hours, over 72,000 traders were liquidated, and the highest liquidation came in when somebody was trying to trade Bitcoin and he got liquidated for over $1.5 million. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Do you think this relief rally is over? Do you think the market will continue pumping? Or do you think this is the beginning of the dump and will keep dumping to Goblin Town? Because we've seen that the dollar is pumping and history has shown that this is not a good time for the cryptocurrency market. Will the dollar turn on itself? Or are we going to go to Goblin Town? Only time will tell. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.